test us. Knocked on the door once, invite him to lunch, but man, you should have seen him run and heard that gravel crunch. When we told of our plans for our splendid feast, good old greens and mighty fresh eats. Killin lettuce, we're a Killin lettuce. Killin lettuce, city fella ain't never gonna test us.